Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Y'all, I have not said that in literally months. Like, it feels so good just to be back and saying that. And y'all, like, I'm so sorry. Like, I truly deep down apologize for taking such a long hiatus. It was only supposed to be like a few weeks while I rebrand myself and switch my vision towards Instagram. And although that has been working, like my following, my connections, the little things and people that I meet and learn and stuff has been tremendous. But I still didn't want to just leave YouTube, and I really do apologize if that's how it came off, but I'm back and I'm better. And also I had to get my mental together. I was going through a lot. You know, the pandemic hit, a lot of things. 2020 has just been like really rough. Okay, it's been really hard, but I'm just pushing through and I'm remaining focused, and I have so much to share with you guys. But for now, in this video, I'm going to be dropping non-stop fall looks. It is September 3rd and fall season is approaching, and I'm so excited. So I'm going to do a quick go-to fall look for you guys, and I really hope you guys enjoy. And I have a little surprise for you guys at the end of my video, so stay tuned.
Keep it drippin', don't stop. I was just at the bottom, now I'm all the way at the top. You see where it goes down? You see where it went? Keep it drippin', don't stop. I was just at the bottom, now I'm all the way at the top.
And we're back, guys. If you would like to see how I did my eyebrows, a link will be in the description box below. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to be using this palette from Morphe. I forgot the name, but it'll be in the description box below. And today we're going to be using the green. So we're going to start with this light green, and we're going to apply that on the top crease of our corner. We're just going to continue doing that for both lids. So we're going to take this dark green and apply it onto our crease. This is going to create a illuminating ombre effect. Not a deep one, but a real soft, subtle one, just to get the colors to complement one another. Now we're going to take our Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and we're going to apply that onto our lids with this flat tip brush that I got from e.l.f. to create our crease. that same dark green and apply that onto the end in the front of our corners. Now that our eyes are done, we're moving on to our face. If you would like to see a more descriptive video on how I do my highlight and contour, the same video that's in my description box on how I do my eyebrows is going to be in that same video in the description box below. Alright guys, so now it's time for the lips. So if you watched the beginning of the video, I told you guys that I have a surprise for you guys. So yes, you guys on YouTube don't know that I started my own cosmetic collection, and it's called Shades by Amani Alexis, and I'm so excited to present it to you guys. The first collection, we included some clear glosses, we included some sparkle glosses, we included a nude one that sold out, everybody loved it, and a little violet one. But for my new collection, it is called Nude Beach Extended. Here's a photo of it right here, and I'm gonna try all of the glosses on for you guys. Honestly, I'm so excited for this collection. I really do love it. I can say that it's my favorite. I really took my time with this, and I really tried to deliver things that would complement all skin tones. That's why the name is called Shades by Amani Alexis, because it's supposed to represent the beauty in all women, no matter what skin tone we are. So yes, let's get started. So first, what I like to do is I like to pair my gloss with the lip liner. So right now I'm using this dark brown lip liner from ColourPop. And I have small lips, but yet at the same time I really don't like to outline my lips because I'm okay with them. I'm okay with having small lips. I'm good. So there it is. My lips are outlined, and now I'm gonna start off with the first gloss, which is called Nude Beach. And this was This was the relaunch. Everybody loves Nude Beach, so I'm gonna start off with Nude Beach. The whole collection is called Nude Beach Extended because it's a variety of different nudes, not just light, but you could have a dark one, I have a light one, a medium one, and it's just perfect. So yeah, let's start off with Nude Beach. And there it is. There goes Nude Beach. I really like this one. Like, I really do. I feel like it goes so well when you pair it with a lip liner. Like, it's just perfect. Like, if you don't want to wear color and you want a little bit of hint, if you want a little bit of nude tint, it's perfect. Like, I love it. So we're gonna move on to the next shade. So we're gonna move on to the lightest shade, which is called Bubblegum. I love this one. It's just so cute. And my lips are already outlined because you already know I love pairing my lip glosses with a lip liner. So let's get started. You know that my favorite lip gloss is the Eclair by NYX, the butter gloss. You know that this right here, I feel like it's a perfect replica. Like, yo, look at that, y'all. Like, y'all cannot, like, do you see? Hold on, let me add some more because I don't think y'all see that. I don't think y'all see that. Do you see that, Pete? Do you see, like, are you seeing it? Because I don't think you see it. I love it. Like, oh my gosh. It's everybody's favorite, but I think Bubblegum might be my favorite because I just love the color. You see that? Okay. All right, y'all. So we're gonna move on to the third shade. So the third shade that we have is called Suntan. And it's a medium shade. It's not too dark, it's not too light, but it gives the perfect hint of brown, and I love it. It reminds me of caramel. Like, I just love it. Do you see that? Do you see that? Like, I cannot just, I can't, words can't describe how I'm feeling right now, because do you see that? I think it's so cute, y'all. Like, it's the perfect shade for somebody who doesn't want any type of color. You just want a little drop, and it just gives you that perfect hue of brown. Like, if you pair this with a lip liner, it's done. It's clipped. It's over. So yeah, I love all of them. Like I said, the first one was my favorite, but honestly, it depends on my mood. I feel like all of them individually are my favorite. So we're gonna move on to the last color. So now we have the last shade, which is called Chocolate. And y'all, I'm sorry about the labels. If you know the struggle I've had with getting my labels and everything, and now it's just like with the heat or the weather, I'm not sure what it is, the labels are like coming off a little bit, but I'm still deciding if I want to sell them with or without the labels. But these are my personal own, so that's why I have the labels on. It doesn't matter to me. But yeah, this is the darkest shade that we have, called Chocolate. So yes, let's try this. Do y'all see that? Do you see this? Do y'all see that? Like, do you see this? It's perfect for anybody who just wants a dark chocolate undertone. I think these, all four glosses, I feel like it truly represents anybody. Like, anybody can wear this. It doesn't pertain to a certain or specific skin tone. They all represent beauty. They all represent women. They all represent all skin tones and all shades, and they just go perfect with any look. Like, all four of these you can wear with any look. You see, I have green on my eyes, and all glosses match this look. So I'm really excited. And for a disclaimer, for anybody who is gonna go on my page and look for the glosses, all of my glosses I paired with jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, peppermint oil, and coconut oil. So if you're allergic to any nuts, if you're allergic to peppermint or anything that I just described, these aren't the glosses for you. I repeat, these are not the glosses for you. But yes, if you are interested in any of the glosses that I showed you guys, my page is below. This is my business page, Shades by AA. My personal page is gonna be in the description below. Actually, both of my pages are gonna be in the description below. Thank you guys for tuning in to another one of my videos. I promise I'm going to be back with another look. I'm gonna be back with another video. I'm also gonna do a little mental health check video for you guys, because you know it hasn't been easy during this pandemic, and I've gone through a lot that I just want to share with everybody, and I want to tell people how I coped, and I want to see how other people coped. So yes, stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. Later, beauties. Love you.